Why do millions of travelers dream of exploring the world's caves? Because every cave hides a secret world of beauty. Here are 5 you can't miss. First up, wait till you see the sparkling crystal cave in Mexico, lined with giant selenite crystals. Next, the magical Waitomo glowworm caves in New Zealand, where ceilings twinkle like stars. In Vietnam, Hang Son Doong is the world's biggest, big enough for a jungle inside. Slovenia's Postojna Cave is a labyrinth of dazzling formations. And finally, Iceland's ice cave glows blue like a frozen dream. Which one's on your bucket list?